So now my bearings. Gotta pack these up. The raceways are not needed. I probably could have got these cheaper if I didn't buy the raceway. I don't know if they sell them with that though. But all I need are the bearings here. They seem to spin pretty nice. Raceway, they could chuck. So A6 and A3 are the part numbers needed for the Chevy Astro. This is probably the inner bearing. Now this is going to get a little messy because we got to pack these bearings. Just drop them in there and shake it up. You put the lid on, you shake it up good, and they're all packed. No, I'm kidding. But we do have to pack them up. So let's start with the little one. And we just got to pretty much pack that grease inside. Get it into the bearings however you can. So I usually like to just get it in and try pushing it in. Everybody's got their own way. But in the end, we just need to make sure that there's grease in these bearings. They sell tool, I know. I don't do this enough to care to buy that tool. And then besides doing this, I'm going to take the bearings, the wheel well, and pack that with grease. All inside the rotor is going to get packed with grease. I feel there can never be too much grease on this. Some guys will tell me I'm crazy for how much grease I like to use. Others may say, yeah, I feel the same way. But this is a moving part. So we want our moving parts see, I like to take it, and as I do it, I pack it in this way. So this way it gets in to the bearings. I'm not a professional mechanic. I've done this a few times though. I'm sure there's easier, better ways. I'm self-taught on this. And I do the same thing here. Get that grease in. Because we need this to move freely. I still gotta pack grease into the ball joints, but these bearings are packed. Alright, touchdown Jets. I know nobody cares, but I'm watching also up there as I'm doing this preseason. Okay, these are packed up. I'm gonna have to get them into the rotor so I can get the rotors on. Now it's hopefully the rain has stopped. It didn't look like the storm was going to be here for a long time. I could even drop these in here and leave them until I'm ready for them in the grease. Can't hurt it. I'm going to start setting up outside, but I hope you enjoyed joining me for this little part of the adventure. If anybody knows where to find one of these rubber washers, let me know. I'm going to double up for now until I can get one, because I'm going to look for the speed sensor. Maybe even come with a speed sensor kit. Till next time.